In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now tap on this microphone at the top right corner and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also click on this icon of a keyboard at the bottom right corner. Select Google Voice Typing instead of Gboard 1 and use it like that. To operate it, use this button in the middle. To delete text on the go, click on the right one. To access voice typing options, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left corner. To manage more voice typing options, you can click on this gear, select voice typing and operate all of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!